But did you hear the news? Ariana Grande didn't just wear black winged liner in her new music video. What did she wear? White. That was so aggressive. Welcome back. Let's do a makeup look. Now, let's do a tutorial. Why do I look more ethnically ambiguous with this makeup on? Why does it look like I wanted to be in Cats, but they never considered me? Bro, what? How did that happen so fast? Oh my God, time flies when you're having fun and being successful. Seriously, is that symmetrical or are they just perfectly even on both sides?
The hair?
No, that's not what you looking at.
No.
Look at him crumble. He's gonna burst a blood vessel because I just dislike him.
You like it when these diamonds look
You can get a shot.
I'm a little closer, sassy boy.
I actually fell. You know, mirrors don't get enough credit.